Mustang Coupe.
All right, $69,900 for a jet car. Wait a minute, what's this? I'm sorry. The jet car's cool, and I'll help you out with that. Give me a second.
Okay.
GT500. This is the one I showed you guys on Facebook. MustangMedic, what they promised we deliver. I want this car really bad. I want to put decals on it, but you guys saw me visualize that with the other Mustang, so I'm not going to do it to this one because it's a lot of work. But look, now you know what? Maybe I will put the decals on it. All right, see? I can visualize those things. GT500, just fun car to drive. I drove one. Somebody let me drive one in Palm Springs. Interesting. The security system, I think, is picking me up next to the car because it wasn't flashing before. But there she is. Black and white. Airbag. Shelby GT500. I want this car really bad. There, I said it again. I just noticed these holes are in the hood for suction because of the suction that's coming out of that for the front end of that car. And Fred Spezio? Correct? Race Enterprise. And you know what, guys? He had his priorities straight because when he was in this car, you knew he was praying.
One of these big things I was telling you about, that down in the American Treasure Tour, he's got the world's largest collection of these.
What are they? What is it?
It's a big band organ. This one's in the process of being restored.
Wow.
Normally there's all kinds of horns that go in there,
Yeah.
and xylophones, and you can see the clarinets there.
Yeah, the man obviously loves history.
Yeah.
Very cool. Very cool.
He's got the world's largest collection of
Yeah,
these.
this is quickly turning into an American Pickers episode.
Right. We're a little, just very tight.
Yeah, we made it though. There you go. T-Bird. There's a barn find right there. 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Not really a barn find because it's in better shape than that, but
Like I started to say earlier, in this part of the mall, the cars are all grouped according to manufacturer, different vintages of Ford.
Right, Ford Fairlane.
It's all Cadillacs.
Ford Victoria, 1951 Ford Victoria two-door hardtop. 1949 Ford panel delivery truck. 1949 Ford custom convertible. Barn find. 1948 Ford Super Deluxe V8 convertible. 39, 38, 37.